drug delivery system is to prolong localized target and have a protective drug interaction with the disease tissues. Let's move forward to the second part of our lecture, that is rationale for targeted drug delivery. Most of the drugs, after administration in a conventional, immediate, or controlled release dosage form, freely distribute throughout the body, typically leading to uptake by the cells, tissues, or organs other than where the pharmacological receptors are actually located. Let's see this figure that illustrates the distribution, metabolism, and elimination of drugs that may occur by natural pathways. The lack of target specificity, which is illustrated in figure 1, for the most part can be attributed to the formidable barriers that the body presents to a drug. For example, a drug taken orally, most drugs are administered by this route if possible, must withstand large fluctuations in pH as it travels along the gastrointestinal tract, as well as resist the onslaught of the enzymes that digest food and metabolism by microflora that actually resides in the gut cavity. To be systematically active, the drug must then be absorbed from the GI tract into the blood before it passes the region of absorption in the tract. Once in the blood, it needs to survive inactivation by metabolism and extraction, that is first pass effect. To produce its therapeutic effect, the drug must then selectively access and interact with the pharmacological receptors. The concentration of drug at the site must also be adequate. Administration of drugs by parenteral routes avoids GI-associated problems that oral drugs may produce, but deactivation and metabolism of the drug and dose-related toxicity are frequently observed. In further discussions, it can be noted that of all paths that the drug may take following administration, one of them will lead to the drug to its desired destination in adequate concentrations. There are many diseases for which accessibility is poor. Some of the diseases where accessibility of the drug is poor include rheumatoid arthritis, diseases of central nervous system, some cancers, and intractable bacterial, fungal, and parasitic infections. The treatment of these diseases often requires high doses and frequent administration of drugs, which can lead to toxic